Hello friends, I present to your attention the D-ring for attaching ropes and carabiners. The design consists of a triangle ring connected to an elastic reinforced fixing gasket. To secure this kit, it is necessary to disassemble mounting system with an Fs219 mount or a mounting pad. This is conveniently to do with the hex key, which is included in the package of the most of such mounting systems. After that, connect the screws of the mount with the holes on the gasket and assemble the mounting system. The triangular shape of the ring minimizes halyard oscillation, making it easy to tow. It can also be used to attach heavy additional equipment. According to crash test results, the kit withstands breakout forces of up to 160 kilograms. The ring has been designed as a one-piece molded product of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. The gasket is cut from reinforced boat fabric by using laser technology. The range includes a similar mount with a tow handle. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.